Look at this, everybody. Look. Doesn't that face look familiar?
Hey.
So do a walk around. Is it on?
It's on.
Yeah, do a walk around in the car. So this is a bone stock S2000.
I gotta get lower.
Yeah. It has a, I don't know, whatever exhaust that is. I don't know what that is.
Ugh.
Yeah. And it has stock rims, stock everything. And yeah, it's pretty much stock. Yo, you look like I don't even know what right now.
Thank you, Gavin.
I was down on the floor.
It's called dedication.
Yes. So we're about to do the
Sideway.
POV shotgun.
Of getting.
Yeah, because everyone does POV. They do it with the driver.
We should be good.
Well, I'm gonna go down and come back.
Oh, is that another S2K up there?
That's what I was thinking too. I was like,
Look at that blue shit. It is. Oh no, I think it's a Yada. It's a Yada.
Oh shit, it is a Yada.
It's the newer one. Oh, there's this road up here. You probably could. Not a lot of cars come this way. Look at that tire.
Look at the circle though. Hey.
Look at it.
See, this is how you do it like a boss though, right? You do it like a boss, stand in the middle. All right, don't worry, I won't hit you.
If you hit me.
Nah, I won't.
Point of view. Yeah. Have faith. Have faith. Wait, let me get in the middle first. You stopped in front of me. I didn't flinch. I was trying to squat down, didn't work.
Like a boss.
That's how you do it.
Nice. Woo, yeah. That was fun.
That was fun. It's more fun being in the car than being outside and getting donuts around.
Yeah, because you get to enjoy the ride. Please.
Now we gotta time this one, the one over there.
No one turn, no one turn.
There's a car.
Driver mod.
If only there wasn't trees in the way, we wouldn't be able to see all the cars coming.
Driver mod.
Oh, it's raining kinda hard now. Smell that clutch.
Just in time for the rain.
Yep.
Woo! Just in time to put the top
Ah, my
up. How do you
hair!
put the top up? How do you put the top up? How do you put it?
Roof,
Oh,
roof. Ah!
how do you do it? How do you do it?
Oh my God! What the fuck?
Press the button.
I'm pushing the
It's not
button!
working.
Because you gotta pull up the e-brake.
Oh. Oh, shit. I'm getting wet.
That's what she said.
Okay. And then lock it like.
Ah, I got no strength.
Tell him to come do this because we can't do it.
Okay, he can do it.